I'm going to show you in this video how to use one of the funnest AI image generators that I have found and played with in a while, so stick around for that. Hi, I'm Wendy, and I am a creative person. I enjoy all kinds of different things. I'm the first person who had an all AI art exhibit in the state of Kentucky back in March of 2023, and I've been playing around with AI tools for a while. Really enjoy it, and I really enjoy sharing what I know with other people. So if you've got a question about something, about an AI tool or how to do something, leave it in the comment box below, and let me know. Let me know what you want to have help with. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you, just in case you haven't already discovered it, because I think it's been out for a while. It's called Whisk, and you're going to go to Google Labs, labs.google, or you can just do a Google search for Google Labs. You're looking for Whisk. It's a new experimental tool that lets you use images as prompts to visualize your ideas and tell stories. Now, I don't know how long this has been out, but it is so much fun. Prompt less, play more. Try it now. Okay. When you click on try it now, it takes you to this page. In my opinion, this page is a little bit busy. Don't get overwhelmed. Create some magic is what it says. Add your image here. There's some images already over here. If you want to do this in the style of a plushie, or an enamel pin, or a sticker. Okay, I haven't done this part. I started from scratch, and I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. Here's some stuff. Add some inspiration to get started, or inspire me by rolling the dice. It's going to give you something random. This is what this button is also for, is a random button. We're going to start with the subject. Enter the text. We're going to try to create yourself, because I think that's what it always makes it fun, is making it personalized, right? A blonde woman in her 30s or 40s. Okay, let's see what it does. Down here for the scene, let's create a scene idea. A mystical forest. Generate. Now this woman, let's make her have longer hair. A fair-skinned woman with blonde shoulder-length hair. Let's say very, very long hair. Oh, come on. Very long hair is the focus of the image. That's fine. Red sweater is fine. Okay, background is blurred, but okay. That's fine. Let's see if we can get longer hair. That's making this woman too young. I don't want to have a very young woman. We may just stick with this lady. Yeah, this is too young. Fair-skinned woman in her 30s or 40s. So this is how you refine your prompts in order to get closer to what you want. You're basically telling a story. You're telling the story of what you're seeing in the image. So we've got some new pictures here. We got a middle part. We've got a side part. Either one is fine. Let's go with this lady. I have a side part right now. this is the one we will pick. Picked her. There's this. We've got the mystical forest scene. Let's also add the cat. Well, yeah, let's add my cat. Black and white cat with green eyes. Yeah. And then in the style of, let's say, illustrated coloring book page. Yeah, let's do that. Generate. Let's just see what happens. Will we be a coloring book page? I haven't tried this style yet. Ooh, it's already colored it in. Let's see what happens. Now, okay, here where it says add additional details, I believe this is where you would add like your verb, your action words, like what are the subjects doing. Otherwise, it's just going to have them staring at the camera. You could have them doing something here. I'm just going to have them staring at the camera because I first want to see the initial picture. Is it going to give me what I want? So we're going to click the button. And what do I actually want? I don't really have anything in mind. I just surprise me. Let's see what happens. Ooh, how fun. I love this. You could use this, I could see using this as like, and there's the complete prompt for that. But you could use this as a banner image on your social media, and you could put something there or not. Especially on Facebook. You know how Facebook will have this space here where the profile picture basically covers up this part of the cover photo. I think I'm going to make this my cover photo on social media, on my Facebook. I'm going to copy this. Actually, it doesn't have the seed number here. Okay. I'm going to use this prompt. I'm going to find the seed number. I'll show you how to get all that information. I'm going to leave this in the description box below, a link to this information, and so that you can also, if you want to recreate this exact style with your own images of your cat or dog or yourself, you can do that. Okay. So if you wanted a photo of yourself, this is perfect. I'm going to put a heart on that because I love that. If you wanted a photo of yourself in this part here, let's uncheck that. Add more. Add a subject, and then come over here to where it says upload image, and you would just pick your image. So here's an image of me. And you would pick your image, let it analyze it, okay, and then let's go with that. You could also do the same thing for the scene. If you have an image already that you want for your background scene, or you have an image that has the same style you want, you could upload it that same way. Oh, there we go. Now, I look very young. They've made me very young. Long, wavy, light blonde hair is a light-skinned woman in her 30s or 40s. Now, let's see if that works. That might be a little bit older than what I want to go for. This one looks good. Okay, this one works. Everybody looks very, I don't know, stolen. I like it. Now, you'll see up here that there's a My Library. When you go here to the My Library, you can click on this and then click on the image that you want, and what will happen is that you will get the prompt. You can download it. There's a flip card button. Here is your prompt. You can highlight all of that or press copy from here. Scroll down and you'll find the seed. So which one are we going for here? Do we want... Why is it going so slow? I do like that. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one better than this one. This one looks like the evil witch that may lure you into the forest and eat your soul. This one's like, me and this cat know about a mystery, and we are going to go into these woods and figure out the mystery. So let's do this. We will copy the seed number. Now, how do you use this? Okay, that's a good question, right? Say you want exactly that same thing. You would copy this prompt, go back to Whisk, download these images, okay? Because we went with this lady. You would enter in these images to these places, press go, and then once those images, once she gets in here, so there she is, we've got a second one. You'd pick the one you'd want. Sometimes it only produces one image, and that one's really close, right? But say it's not. You would copy and paste the prompt and the seed into the add or edit details, and then press generate again, and then let's see if that gets it closer to what you would want. Oh yeah, very nice. Now how about you would like, hey, I want to change this. I want to make it look like me and my cat or dog, right? You would find here where it explains the description of the woman and put in the description of you, or the preference you have for what you would want it to this person, the character, to look like. If you want no cat or no dog, you would delete out the where it says beside her a tuxedo cat. Just delete that whole sentence. Or beside her you want a different creature, you know, you put that in there. All right, that's pretty simple and straightforward, right? And then you would click generate. So let's try this. Let's try, first off, let's try a, let's put a unicorn, because I don't, unicorn with black fur, white chest, with, let's just do a unicorn, period. Yeah, let's try that. And let's see what happens. Nice. I've got a unicorn. Wonderful. I love it. So there you have it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple and straightforward once you get going with it. And I hope you had as much fun with it as I have. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to find out, what if there was any issues, what you had issues with, how can I help you, create a better prompt to getting closer to what it is that you want when you're prompting, because that is really the tricky part. I hope you have a great day, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.